Hey, what's going on, my friends? I was just editing a video and I got inspired to share a message video with you about the feeling is the secret. Neville Goddard is talking about it, what it means, the feeling is the secret. So, yes, can you remember that painting here? It's in one of the most successful videos on my channel, over I think 600,000 views. It's amazing. The planet, also one of my favorite and first paintings ever created by me. So what it means? The feeling is the secret. It means that if we can get into our future where we already are experiencing the thing that we would like to manifest, if we can get there with our imagination, just imagine as you're standing there and you have that thing, and awaken the emotion as you already have it. Awaken the emotion, just think about so clearly that you already have that thing. Think about it. You can close your eyes. We can do it now together. Close your eyes and imagine as you already have what you want. Whatever it is, just imagine that you are holding it in your hands, or if it's a car or a partner or a healing in your body, whatever it is, just imagine as you already have it, or you already are it. You already are healthy, whatever it is, just imagine. And now feel as you already have it. Awaken the emotions now, elevate your emotions as you already have it. How do you feel? Awaken those emotions, feel it. What you would do with it, how it looks like, how it feels like. If it helps, put your hand onto your heart and feel it. And now open your eyes. And this is it. Feeling is the secret. This is what Neville Goddard is talking about. This is what I'm talking about in most of my videos. This is what Joe Dispenza is talking about, and many other teachers. So this is the secret. This is the secret to all the manifestation. So if you want to manifest money, many people are writing me, hey, can you make a video about how to manifest money? It will come to you when you will become it. So how to become it? Feel as it already happened. How to feel as it already happened. Practice it. What we have just created a few moments before. Practice it every single day. You can practice it before you go to bed, when you will go from beta to alpha to theta brainwave frequency. You are stepping into your future. As you're in your subconscious mind, you're becoming nothing else but your imagination. So if you can imagine it and if you can feel it, you are already there. Yes, your physical reality is not changing so fast, but more frequently you're getting back into your imagination, getting back into your state of creation. More often you can feel those emotions of your future. Faster it will happen, faster it will come to you. So whatever it is, it can be money, it can be any material thing, it can be whatever. If you can feel as it already happened, if you can maintain those feelings, it will happen. And the thing that can help you with maintaining those feelings, I've made a video about how to constantly awaken the feelings of gratitude every single day. I've made a video about each hour you can turn on a notification that will remind you to become grateful. Each hour, and every time when that notification will pop up on your phone, set a reminder for, or set a timer for 1 minute, and put your hands onto your heart and become grateful as it already happened. This is powerful. This is truly powerful. Our words are powerful. Our emotions are powerful. And we all own that power. We all are that powerful creators. Most people are not aware of that. Most people are not aware of that, but we are all these powerful creators. And if you can truly do that every single day, you will see a change in your life, a magnificent, magical change in your life. So this is it for this video. I'm sharing you I'm sending you lots of love. I'm sending you blessings. I'm sending you light and high vibrations. Have a beautiful time. See you soon. Peace and love.